Hello, Deepa. How to highlight top 3 values in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a marks list. So here I select the range of data. So I select here the range of marks and go to the home tab in styles group. Click on the conditional formatting. Then click on the top or bottom rules. Then click on the top 10 items options. And here the one dialog box is open, top 10 items. The format cells that rank in the top, and here the 10 is default. Enter. If you want to edit, you can edit. Just click on the up arrow to increase the items and down arrow to decrease the item. Okay, you can enter here manually also. So here I'm going to highlight the top 3. So I enter here the 3, and with this you can change the color of highlighters. So I select here the different colors, the green fill with the dark green text. Okay, and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see you can easily highlight top 3 values in Excel by using the conditional formatting. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.